Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing another wig from UNICE hair. This is the 13x4 HD bye-bye cap wig. I have it in 180% density and it's 24 inches. I was just showing you guys the goodies that they sent over in the package, and this is what the wig looks like straight out of the pack. Look at the hairline, it's already pre-plucked. The part looks amazing, it's pre-bleached, and I'm just showing you guys what it looks like up close. And then it also has this bye-bye cap, which is like a scalp base. The lace has a mono mesh attached to it, which helps with not having to wear a HD cap or anything underneath it. So I'm not gonna even wear a cap underneath it because it already has, like, you know, the cap already attached to the wig. And then this is what the HD lace looks like on the back of my hand. You can see that the lace is like invisible. It blends so nicely, so HD lace is the way to go. And then this wig has the elastic drawstring. The drawstring helps the back of the head fit very snugly, therefore the wig is not going anywhere. So that means I'll be able to shake the hair and everything is not going away. I was just demonstrating how to make it tight. You pull the drawstring first, and then the little piece, you pull that down, so then the wig isn't going to go anywhere. So this wig did have like a little lace left over, so I'm just cutting off the extra lace, and I like that you can do that so you can customize it to your head and to your liking. And now we're just going to put the wig on and try it on so you guys can see what it looks like straight out of the package. I'm just adjusting it and making sure everything is where I want it to be. They sent this wig over with the ear tapes. The ear tapes are just used so that you can wear the wig glueless. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the little piece off so that the adhesive can stick to my head. So I'm just going to take that off, and then I'm just going to press that in for a few seconds to make sure it stays in place. And I'm going to do that to both sides, and then once it sets for a while, I can tug on the hair and everything. I can move the hair around and it's not going to go anywhere. Okay, now I'm going to add a couple layers to the front of the hair. I'm just using my scissors, going down in a downward motion, making sure not to cut off too much, but I just want to frame my face a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my hot comb on that middle section to make sure everything is nice and flat. And I will say that this part looks very realistic. As you guys can see, they did a really good job of making it look as realistic as possible. The HD lace is doing what it is supposed to do. Here's an up close of what the hair looks like the curls and everything straight out of the package. I'm gonna go in and curl just a little bit. I really liked how the curls came and how like loose and effortlessly they hung and were. So I'm just gonna go in with my curling iron and curl towards the back, but I'm not gonna like do it from scratch and restyle the whole thing. I'm just gonna like add some curls in it a little bit, but I do like how they already had it, so I didn't add too many curls. I'm just going like random little sections and just adding a little bit more, but I do like how, you know, their curls laid and everything. They did a really good job of that as well. Okay, now that my curls are cool, I'm just gonna go in and finger detangle just a little bit. Like I said, I like the effortless look, so I'm not gonna do too much. In some parts, I'm even gonna like brush out a little bit. Here's a up close look of the hairline. It looks really nice. And then this is a completely glueless wig, so I just brush my comb underneath it to show you guys that I don't have any glue other than the little ear tabs. I don't have anything else in place. This is how long the wig is on me. Like I said, it's 24 inches. It has a lot of body, as you guys can see. Now, just to make it even more secure, I'm gonna like pin my hair up a little bit, and then we are going to do the drawstring. So for the drawstring, as you can see, it has like a big piece that's like for a typical drawstring. You pull that, so I'm just pulling that in place, and then it has a little ball, and you pull that up and have that in place too. And now it's not gonna go anywhere, so I can tug on my hair and it is nice and secure. Okay, now let's style it. The first style that I did was a half up, half down. If you're gonna do a half up, half down, you might want to add a couple baby hairs or something. I didn't do that, but I did like comb some of the edges out so that it can just look more realistic. So this is what the half up, half down looks like. And then I'm also gonna do an updo. Y'all know the claw clips are in, so we gotta bring out the claw clips. This is very simple and easy. If you just want to pull up your hair, you can use a nice claw clip. Now, so I'm just pulling my hair to the back, and I think I want to have like some bangs or some, whatever you call them, little bang pieces in the front. So I'm going to pull those out, and then I'm going to add my claw clip so you can have a simple, easy updo style in minutes. So yeah, y'all, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the Bye Bye Cap wig, I will definitely have all the links down below in the description. Thank you so much, UNICE, for sponsoring this video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.